In this video, I'll show you how you can fix DirectX 12 is not supported on your system in Marvel Rivals. Now try and come here and search for DXDIAG, open up this one and just check on the system. If you have DirectX 11, that means you're not running the DirectX 12 and then you might get this issue. Now, the way that we can try and update it is, first of all, try and search for Windows Update. Try and take the latest update as well as searching for optional updates. Come here and also check if you have any Windows optional updates in here. As you can see, mine is just for Intel or my BenQ. So if there's not any Windows in here, you don't need to do it. But either way, check if you have any from in here. Then after that, what you want to do is you want to just close this down. Then another thing you can try is come to Device Manager. Go to your GPU, make sure you have the driver for your GPU installed. So just Google your GPU name and driver. In my case, it's the NVIDIA one. So I would open up the NVIDIA one, go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest drivers. Once I've done this, the game might work now. Otherwise, you can come to the game and go to Properties, General, come in here and try and type -DX11. So try and type this in, close it, and then try and launch the game. Now, I really hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.